Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to import videos from YouTube to CapCut. Alright, it is pretty easy to do. All you have to do first is just simply go ahead and download a video from YouTube itself. If you have YouTube Premium, you can easily download a video. But if you don't have YouTube Premium, there's also a way to download these videos using third-party websites. But if you want to, you can use that as well. Now, once you have the video downloaded, just go head over to Canva. This one will work on both phone version and the computer version. All right. Once you have your Canva open, just go ahead and click on Create Project. And once you have the app opened, just go ahead and hit on Import and select a downloaded video. All right. For example, here, this one. Once done, if you want to edit it, just go ahead and drag the video in the editing section. All right. As you can see here. And that's basically it. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.